Hello YouTubers, welcome back to another video. My name is Detroma UG, and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can change your Google account name step by step. Whether you've changed your name or you want a whole new name to be displayed on your Google account when you make comments, this guide will take you through everything you need to know to get started. And without wasting time, let's head into this. You want to head over to your Chrome browser and you want to go ahead and type google.com. You want to make sure that you're logged into the Google account you want to edit. While here, you want to go ahead and click on the profile icon on the top right corner. Go ahead and click on Manage Your Google Account. You'll be taken to your Google account page. Here, you'll see various options at the top. Click on the Personal Info tab. This is where you can manage your personal information, including your name. Under the Profile section, you'll see your current name displayed. Click on it to edit it. If you don't see it, go ahead and scroll down until you find the name section. And here it is. Now, you're on the name page. Click on the name, and besides the name, there's a pencil icon, and you want to go ahead and click on it. Go ahead and input your first name, and click next. You want to go and clear that name that is there, and you want to type a whole fresh name. Once you've entered your new name, go ahead and click on the Save button. It might take a few minutes for the changes to reflect, so don't worry. If you don't see any change immediately, you just want to go and refresh the page. If you're using Google services like Gmail or YouTube, your new name will now appear when you send email or comment on videos. To confirm the change, you can go back to your personal info, and it's right here. And this is it. You've successfully changed your Google account name. If you have any questions or ran into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. I'll be able to answer your comment. And if you also found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more tutorials and tips. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one, and peace.